nice to see you from the outdoors. Alright, today I want to start something new. I'm a very curious person, especially in science and related topics. And I thought maybe it's a good idea to make short videos about specific topics, less than 3 minutes, and just telling about some facts and given rough overview about a specific topic. Why, you may ask? And that's a very good question. In the past I saw some YouTube videos about specific or mixed topics. Most of them are really great. So well made, real facts and so on. But there are others as well, not really always telling the truth in every single YouTube video. I have two examples for you. In one video I saw, the person used a methane filter, a methane pass filter, and he said, well, methane is emitting light. And that's not true. This specific compound absorbs light. And he used this filter on Jupiter and Saturn and claimed, because the rings are glowing, that there's some methane. And that's not true. The rings of Saturn are mainly ice and rocks, no methane. So if you're using a pass filter, for example methane pass filter, you have a specific region where this specific compound absorbs light. And when you have low methane content, you have a very low absorption in this region. That means you have capturing brighter images in this specific region using this filter. So very bright. For example, the ring of Saturn. They are mainly out from rocks and ice, so there's almost no methane. On the other side, if you have compounds which absorbs lights in this specific wavelengths range, the total images or this region appears darker. So unfortunately, this guy with his small but very expensive observatory was actually not able to get any true information about his images. And this is actually very sad for him. If you want to know more about filters, watch here or here. Sometimes I have the impression that some people are happier to make this photo and maybe not to know in detail what you can see on it. And for me it's different. I mean, it's okay if you think this and if you have this opinion, but in my case I of course want to make great pictures of objects in the night sky, but I'm also interested in what I actually see and maybe how it's formed and so on. And then there was another guy telling something about polar alignment using the Skywatcher Star Adventurer. Okay, fine. But in the first couple of minutes of his video he claimed that the center, the northern celestial center, is equal to the position of the northern star, also called Polaris. Yeah, that's not true, by the way. Polaris is in the northern hemisphere, quite close to the real northern celestial center, but it's not exactly the position. Yeah, and he said, nah, it's okay, because it's a rough estimation. It is a rough estimation, but for the beginner it's really not helpful for polar alignment if you believe this nonsense. I hope you liked this first part. There will be more. So see you next time. Clear skies.